Friday evening chaos in Halfway Tree, St. Andrew.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The police have released details about the incident that sent scores of persons doing business opposite the Pavilion Mall in Halfway Tree scampering for cover on Friday evening, the 7th of June, saying it was a running gun battle between two men. According to police reports, when the dust settled, one person was killed and 4 others injured. The name of the deceased has not been released. A firearm was also seized in the incident, the police said. The Constabulary's Corporate Communications Unit, in a statement released on Saturday, the 8th of June, said that a man suspected of being involved in the gunfight is in police custody while the other man remains at large. According to the CCU, the shooting started around 5 p.m. at a plaza on Constant Spring Road and continued on to Courtney Walsh Drive. It is reported that amid frantic scampering for cover by members of the public, an off-duty policeman and another cop saw the incident unfolding, intervened and apprehended one of the assailants. The 2 policemen involved in the shooting incident are to be interviewed by investigators from the Independent Commission of Investigations (INDECOM). The disclosure came on Saturday as the oversight body confirmed that it has commenced a probe into the incident, which left 1 man dead and 4 civilians, 3 males and a woman, suffering from gunshot wounds. The injured persons are being treated at hospital. In a statement, INDECOM said the investigation will seek to determine how a number of citizens were shot and who is responsible for the injuries sustained by all. It says the probe is still in the early stages, but revealed that notices have already been dispatched to the 2 off-duty cops involved in the incident to present themselves for an interview next week. Unconfirmed sources are suggesting that the attack appeared to have emanated from a contract killing.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.